In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a transparent and sticky header in the Shopify Dawn theme. Start in your Shopify admin and open the online store, then head to Themes. Find the Dawn theme in your list and click Customize to open the theme editor. Once the editor is open, look to the left-hand menu and click on the Header section to bring up the Header Settings panel. Inside that panel, you'll find an option labeled Enable Transparent Header. This option typically appears when the section immediately following the header is compatible, for example, an image banner or hero block. When that next section supports transparency, check the box to turn the transparent header on. At this point, your header will sit visually over the hero area, so you can see how the logo and navigation interact with the background image or slide. There's an optional color scheme control you can use specifically for the transparent header. Use this when your logo or text needs to change color depending on the backdrop. For instance, white text over a photograph and darker text over a white background once the visitor starts scrolling. Choosing the correct color scheme here helps preserve legibility and keeps the design feeling intentional as the header transitions. Next, locate the sticky header setting in the same panel. This controls whether the header stays visible as visitors scroll the page. You'll typically see options like Always or On scroll up. Selecting Always keeps the header fixed at the top at all times, while On scroll up hides the header when the visitor scrolls down and reveals it again when they scroll up. Pick the behavior that matches your desired balance between persistent navigation and unobstructed content. After adjusting the transparency, color scheme, and sticky behavior, click Save to apply your changes. It's important to save before previewing so your live preview reflects the new settings. Finally, preview your store to make sure everything looks and behaves as expected. Check that the header is transparent over the hero section, that your chosen color scheme provides sufficient contrast, and that the sticky behavior works smoothly as you scroll. Try a few different screen sizes or use the device previews in the theme editor to confirm mobile and tablet views look good too. If anything needs adjusting, return to the header settings and tweak the options until it feels right.